Alright, so I got this problem after my starter solenoid on the fender stuck and my starter stayed cranking until I could unhook the battery, and to the point when it stopped cranking. And ever since that happened, I've had this problem. I don't know if it's a starter problem or if my flywheel is touching the block plate, but the sound is worrisome. I gotta jump this now because this solenoid has died. Hear that scrape? It's really not even doing it right now. I'm sure it'll start. There it is. Let me get a light on this too. The block feels fine. The tranny feels fine. Something in here is scraping. I'm not sure what. I don't know if it's touching that block plate now. Shaking a little. Maybe I should try bending it out of the way. I'm not sure. Has anyone ever heard a sound like that?